In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Loom video on your form. We're going to start in Loom to grab the right share option, then place that video neatly into your form using JotForm so it looks clean and plays reliably for every respondent. Begin by opening Loom and heading to your library where all your recordings live. Find the video you want to include and open the options menu using the three dots next to the title. Choose Share, then select Embed. Here you'll see size choices. Responsive size is usually the best pick because it automatically adapts to phones, tablets, and desktops without you having to guess dimensions. If your form layout is very strict and you know the exact space available, fixed size can help you keep things consistent, but be aware it won't adjust to different screens. Loom also shows you several ways to include the video. You can copy the full embed code for websites that accept HTML, and you'll see options for a GIF thumbnail or a static thumbnail. Those thumbnails are great when you want a lightweight teaser that links to the video, but for JotForm, the simplest and most reliable option is to copy the video link itself. Click Copy Link to grab a clean URL. Before moving on, double-check that your video's share settings allow viewers to watch without signing in. That way, your audience won't hit a permissions wall inside your form. Now switch to JotForm and open your form in the Builder. On the left, open Form Elements to see everything you can add, then go to the Widgets tab. Use the search bar to find the Loom Video Embed widget and select it. This widget is designed to take your Loom URL and render the player directly inside your form, so you don't need any custom code. With the widget on your form, click the Loom Video URL field to access its settings, then paste the link you copied from Loom. The widget will detect the URL and load a playable preview right away. Take a moment to check spacing and placement so the video appears before the related questions or instructions. Keeping the video short and clearly titled also helps respondents stay focused. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your form will now display the Loom video to anyone you share it with. If someone reports